It's Lily Amanda for Portrait Creatives. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to even skin tone when there's random lighting in Photoshop. It's a tricky problem sometimes we encounter, like if we go to nightclub or we go to a fair or it's a concert. When we take photo, usually there are multiple different type of lighting and different color. I'm going to show you how you can even out the skin tone, make the photo look more pleasant. Let me take you into Photoshop. So I have this image, like she looks like she's at a fair, right? And the color on her face, there is a red magenta tone, and the other side has a green tone. There's a very easy and quick solution to this problem. I'm just going to duplicate this layer, Command J, and then we're going to filter and go to Camera Raw filter. Camera Raw is powerful when it comes to white balance. So let's see what it can do for us. When you open basic panel, you'll see this eyedropper. This eyedropper is designed to click on an area, a color that is neutral color, okay? And it will adjust the color, overall color according to your selection. And for this photo, is obvious for me, is like the t-shirt, it looks like she wear a white t-shirt, but there's a tint of green. So usually the shadow will be the neutral color tone. So let me just click on here. Immediately it brings out the color, like I feel it's much more vibrant. The skin tone is much better than before. No greenish color anymore, and that looks much more pleasant. And let me just try a different area. If, for example, if I see this fold over here, it's also a neutral color tone, you see? And that would change to, I think it would change quite closer to what we had before. She still have some green tone over here. So I think this is a better choice. And you can also experiment to click on other area which you think is a neutral tone. Like, this definitely not. This is probably quite close as well. Like, I know this is a white t-shirt, that's why I click on it, because the neutral color gray would be just about the shadow area. This is just very dark, all right? This is a black stripe. I'm guessing is a black or brown stripe. It's the area I will actually go for. This is probably a sign, a white sign. Okay, so click on here. So that's pretty close as well. So it's important that you find out the object or the area you think is a neutral color tone, like middle gray. In this case, it's impossible to recover to her original skin color because she already have color cast on her. We are doing the best to make her skin look good and even. So let me just click OK. This is before and this is after. That looks tons better. So this is just a quick tutorial today. If you find value out of it, please give it a thumbs up. We'll be uploading more helpful tutorials and we don't want you to miss out. So make sure you subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video.